Want to unlock explosive energy, incredible strength, and last all night long? Forget artificial pills. This natural, powerful morning brew is the ultimate secret to upgrading your performance in bed. Let's make it. First up, ginger. This spicy root is a legendary circulation booster. It actively relaxes your blood vessels and supercharges blood flow directly to where it matters most, setting the stage for rock-hard stamina. By grating it fresh, we release its active compounds, like gingerols, which raise your core body temperature, increase your heart rate, and give you that primal surge of physical energy. Next, we have garlic. Don't worry about the smell. Focus on the results. Garlic is packed with a potent compound called allicin, a total game-changer for male vitality. Grating the garlic activates that allicin, which acts as a natural nitric oxide booster. This dilates your blood vessels, maximizes pelvic blood flow, and helps you maintain strong, long-lasting erections. Now, add 1 spoon of coffee. Caffeine isn't just for waking up. It's a powerful nervous system stimulant that elevates your libido, sharpens focus, and dramatically delays fatigue. Pouring in hot water fuses these ingredients together. This combination creates a metabolic firestorm, rapidly delivering nutrients to your bloodstream to keep your endurance levels peaking. Sweeten the deal with a spoon of raw honey. Honey is rich in boron, a mineral essential for boosting natural testosterone production, driving up your desire and stamina. Stir it well. You are blending a potent potion of blood-pumping, testosterone-boosting ingredients designed for pure physical endurance and drive. Drink this powerful mixture 20 minutes before bedtime. Get ready to experience unmatched energy, intense strength, and a night neither of you will ever forget. Try it tonight.